In this section, we're going to look at the blues. And that one simple title covers a multitude of sins. There's all kinds of ways of playing the blues. New Orleans has had in its history as many reasons to sing the blues as anywhere else might have had. We can look at a few elements, and the piano, of course, is the perfect instrument. Just to talk about what blues is to start off with, blues is generally heard in a 12-bar format. And let me just give you an example of how a 12-bar blues sounds and how the form works. We're going to play it in C. All these examples are in C, and you can move them, transpose them to any other key. But a 12-bar blues in simple form might be something like this.